Item weight, 0.2 pounds. Country of origin, China. Brand name, Westinghouse Lighting. Item dimensions, 16.0 length by 1.5 width by 1.5 height. Ladder rest with brass-colored spherettes. Westinghouse Lighting 66991 black lamp post CROSSARM. Top reviews from the United States. Great replacement product. This was exactly what I was looking for to replace my old, no caps bar. It is perfect and I like the gold ends for a touch of class. Many reviews said the cap ends were hard to get off. Only one of mine wouldn't come off, but I'm glad of that anyway. I put 4 stars for sturdiness only because I'm not sure how the caps will hold up in strong winds and weather. I added a house number sign to swing from the bar so we'll see in time how it holds up.